Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a train window video edit on CapCut. Select new project, and I'm just going to select a video or photo. I'm just going to select photos actually for this one. So do that, and I'm just going to select this photo and I'm just going to select add. Then I'm going to go to stickers. Go to stickers again and find the one with a Polaroid icon. So this one. And as you can see, there's like a lot of like windows and like TV stickers that you can put on, like so. As you can see, it's super cute. And there's this one also. And then there's this one that you can add. There's also, I think that's my internet. Okay, there it is. There's also like mirrors, phones. Where is the one that I want to add? This one, there's like a plane window. So I guess it's not only a train window, so there's also like a plane window that you can like put over like your videos. For instance, you're taking a video of a sky, like when you're in a plane, you can add that on if like the window doesn't show. But that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!